Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Well, hello, my berries. Welcome to Darkberry 32. I am in the process of wanting to add a little bit more to my entryway. This is my front door, but I want to add something else here, and I've had this in my mind since the 2 years we've moved in here. Even before that, I knew I wanted to put something on this wall, and I finally found exactly what I was looking for, and it came from Mixed Tiles. So again, welcome to Darkberry 32. I'm going to try to transition or just make this kind of punch up the entryway just a little bit. I mean, I like the way it looks, you know, it's nicely, you know, kind of neutral, but I want to add a little punch. So I am wanting to welcome you all to this channel. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And comment below once you see what I'm doing with this entryway. So what I have here for this entryway are these two pictures from Mixed Tiles. Y'all check them out. They came out so stinking good. Look at this one. So good. So I'm going to put those up on the wall along with some pictures that I've had for over 2 years. I just took them out the package. I'm going to place them near these pictures. It kind of tells a whole story. And then I actually have some lighting that I'm going to put above the pictures and stuff like that. But I have purchased Mixed Tiles before. As you guys have seen, these pictures here, they came from Mixed Tiles. And I absolutely love them. You don't have to do black and white. I do it because of the neutral aesthetic of it all. They also do color as well. So I decided to go ahead and purchase those right there. So what I'm going to do is I have my tape measure out. I'm going to try to measure exactly where I put the first picture, and then I'll be able to measure and then put the other picture on with the exact same measurements. The good thing about these pictures, you don't need any nails because on the back is an adhesive, a large adhesive that will stick to the wall and keep the pictures on the wall nicely, just as I've done with those tiles. So you guys stay tuned and let's see what it all will look like. I'm super excited. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I see on the back of here, this is actually a large magnet. Both of these are magnets, and then this is the sticky part here. So what I'm going to do is take this off, this piece of paper off, and here's the sticky part, and then I'm going to attach it to the wall. So anytime that you want to take it down, all you're taking down is just this with the magnet on it and not the actual adhesive. All right, so yeah, let's see what we can get into. And I would say you would treat this just like you would treat a command strip, you know? You know how you take the back of this sticky stuff off? What I'm going to do here, hope you guys can see me. I'm just taking this off like so. Throw that over there. So now we got our little sticky part here, but we're going to turn it this way and just do the magnet like so. And then I'm going to figure out exactly where I want this, which I think probably right about there looks good to me. And then I'm going to press like that, and it's there. That is pretty cool. So we have that up on the wall, and now what I'm going to do is measure. You guys can see that. So now I'm going to measure how far I have it off the, the floor, and then put the other one on that side. All right, so you guys stay tuned for that. All right, So I got them up. They were pretty easy. Basically, I just kind of measured from the floor up and then from the mirror out. And that's how I got my measurements. So they're up and it was very easy to hang, as you saw the first one. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to hang the other two pictures above it and then the light, and then we'll be complete. And then I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, so I'm gonna mark where I want to put the nail at and then nail it in and hang it. Like so. Marked it. Did I? Yep, I did. Okay. That. That looks great. Now I have to mimic the other side. So let me see. I'll have to find something that'll measure and get that just right. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, there it is. Doesn't it look good? It looks so stinking good to me. I am loving the outcome. It just adds a little zhuzh to this entryway. And just so I'll let you guys read here, it says, and so together they built a life they loved. And when I saw those two pictures, I was like, oh yeah, I have to get us some framed pictures to go with those. It just tells a whole story. It tells a whole story. So yeah, there you go. That is something that you guys can do. And it doesn't have to be on a scale like this. Like I said, I went with mixed tiles, but you can get these printed at Walgreens and stuff like that and put it in a frame, or you can put like 3 pictures down a row and then, you know, to tell a story. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share. Why? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen, so why wouldn't you share? All right, guys, bye bye.